Big Joe! Cheap travels. Travel on a budget. Hey guys, so I just landed in Arrecife, Canary Islands, Lanzarote Island. The flight took 4 hours from Milan, and now I have to find a public bus to take me to the town of Arrecife. It should be somewhere here. I'll let you know when I find it. Okay, so I found the bus. The price is €1.40 to Arrecife, and it's air conditioned, so it's nice. Yeah, that's how it looks. So see you in Arrecife. So the bus took me to the center of the city. Now I think I'll just walk to my accommodation about 2 kilometers from here. And then I'll come back when I lose the luggage. Looks like a nice walkable city. We have nice palm trees here. It's beginning of March, and here it feels like summer already. The temperature is about 20 degrees Celsius, which is not too hot, but the sun seems to be shining very much, so I'll try to avoid direct sunlight. There's the main beach. Long walk in front of me. Here's an interesting looking monument. Some guy. Don't ask me which. It's a small park. So I decided to take a little break in this park. I found a shop there, just over there, and I got a Heineken. It was €1.25, not so cheap, but okay. It's a good price for a Heineken, maybe. Otherwise, the whole islands, the Canaries, they're tax-free zone. So everything here should be like a duty-free. They don't pay European taxes. I think they just have a local tax of 6%, 6.5%. So yeah, we'll see. I don't know if you can see this, but that dog is walking himself. He's holding his own leash in his mouth. Well, he failed to lock himself, but he did it before. So guys, I was curious and I went to see that statue there, and it's Simon Bolivar. So this is Park Simon Bolivar. He's really popular in Venezuela. They call themselves the Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela. So yeah, he was an important guy. And this place also has very South American feeling. Also, some people look like they're like I'm in South America. And just in case you were wondering, that's how the statue of Simon Bolivar looks like. So I wanted to show you this little store. It's called Fruteria, which means fruit shop. And they only sell fruit inside. But I like the name Fruteria. Hey guys, I found a cheap store. It's called Eurospar here. And the rest of Europe is usually called Spar or Interspar. So here is Eurospar. So I'll check it out. Look guys, they do such a nice park, but they don't have any benches inside. Come on! Why make a nice park with no benches? Is there a nice pineapple thing? No, it's agave. Aloe vera. And nice flowers. But no benches. Oh my god. And look at the cactus. What a nice park. But put one bench inside. One. Okay. Look. Very simple houses here. And here is a nice walking promenade. Boulevard. Whatever, it's nice. And it leads to this roundabout. I was looking for a bench because I bought myself lunch. So I get one of these, 30 cents for the bread, and for €1 you get Spanish chorizo extra. That's in that Spar shop. So this will be my lunch for today before I reach the accommodation. We have Hollywood Gymnasium and this nice tree. Hollywood. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel, put a like there, and see you next time.